Hey guys, how are you? I'm Asal and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about past or simple past in Persian. This tense of verb is very similar to simple past in English. Some things happen in the past and finish there. Or in the other hand, an action once happened and complete in the past. Let's see how we conjugate this tense of verb, simple past. The past tense of all verbs is formed through these steps. Dropping the infinitival ending "an". This will give you the past stem of the verb. For example, بودن بود، آمدن آمد، شدن شد. Then, adding the personal ending. The past personal ending are first person singular am, second person singular e, third person singular no ending, first person plural im, second person plural id, third person plural and. So let's review how we make a past tense. Just stem of the verb, okay, plus personal ending. That's easy. So we conjugate the verb. Let's see some examples. The verb آمدن means to come. The stem of the verb is آمد. We dropping the infinitive ending "an", and now we have the stem of the verb. It's آمد. Now we adding the personal ending. آمدم, I came. آمدی, you came. آمد, he came, she came, it came. آمدیم, we came. آمدید, you came. آمدند, they came. Let's see some sentences with the past tense. دیروز صبح این کتاب را خریدم. دیروز صبح این کتاب را خریدم. دیروز صبح این کتاب را خریدم. I bought this book yesterday morning. دیروز به یک موزه رفتم. دیروز به یک موزه رفتم. دیروز به یک موزه رفتم. Yesterday I went to a museum. Okay guys, can you conjugate the verb رفتن, which means go, رفتن, in Persian? Please conjugate this in the simple past tense and write for me in the comments below. Okay guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments below and I will answer you or I will make any videos for you. Now see you in the next videos. Goodbye. خداحافظ.